can thrust it into existence.
Yes.
That's good. If you think about it long enough, you can thrust it into existence. So let's deal with that word frame. That word frame in our text tonight, it means to render together, to fit, to mend, to repair what has been broken, to fit, to put in order, to arrange and adjust, and to strengthen, to make one what he ought to be. Genesis chapter 1. Somebody go to Genesis chapter 1 for me real quick and read to me verses number 2 and 3. Genesis chapter 1, verses number 2 and 3. Genesis chapter 1, verses number 2 and 3. Genesis chapter 1, verse number 2 and 3.
And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep.
Yeah.
And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. And God said, let there be light. And there was light.
Let me help you with that. When God framed the world, watch what happens when he walks onto the surface of the world. It's dark and it's empty and it's void.
Yes.
But here it is, when I liken God's creation, he never touches the earth.
No, he does.
He never touches the earth with his hands. The only thing God does to frame and to adjust, watch this, the world to what he wants it to be, he simply says to the darkness, to the voidness, he simply says, let there be.
Yes.
Let me plant that in your spirit tonight, that when things are dark and void in your life, you don't have to physically touch them.
Right.
Only job you have to do is speak to it.
Amen.
Because when you speak to it, watch this, your words have the power, and your words have the power, watch this, to pull things into alignment, to pull things into adjustment. Our problem is when things go bad, we want to put our hands on it. And our job, we want to try to put our hands on it, but not knowing what we're putting our hands on is too big for us to fix. That's why God said, let there be. He never touched the earth. He just simply said, let there be. And the Bible said, and then there was.
Amen.
I know we know ComEd gives us light. I know we have the gas and everything. Scientists have a logical reasoning for stuff like that. But when I have faith, I don't need reasoning. When I have faith, I don't need a logical, theological point of view. When I have faith, watch this, I understand in my mind that before there was light, here it is, there was God's voice.
Amen.
That's good. Before there was light, before there was creatures, there was God's voice. And when God spoke into the world, watch this, the world adjusted to what he said. Can I say something to you? When you get up in the morning, you need to command your morning and adjust your morning to what you're saying. You should never leave your house without telling your morning, I want peace in my morning. I want productivity in my day. Because if you decree and declare a thing, it shall be established. So in other words, it has to happen. So our mouth has the power to frame our world, but we have to have an understanding of it first.